Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I literally just got into the door, which is why I still have my jacket, my purse, and my hat on. Today I'm going to be doing a huge clean with me, winter clean, deep clean, before New Year's clean, something like that. My place is a disaster. It's always a disaster. I'll always clean it and then the next day it just explodes. So Jackson's at grandma's. I needed an hour or two to myself just to get it all done with no distractions, and I'm gonna take you along with me. First, I'm gonna show you the disaster I'm gonna deal with. So these floors are okay. Oh, look, onion. How do I have an onion peel there? Shoes need to be clean. I want that empty. Kitchen, we just had breakfast and life blew up here. All of Jackson's food, dishes, yeah. Okay, not too bad. Toys, gonna try and disinfect some toys because I haven't done that in a while. We have all this stuff here, random. Jackson's room's not too bad, but I do wanna just fix that up. Just make things look a little nicer. What's up? Then our living area, books, pens, toys. My coffee table has turned into a gate. I have that on the floor. And then my bedroom, clothes. Oh look, we got a new comforter. So I need to pack that away. And I have a hanger and a book. Wow, I'm a mess. And we gotta clean this bathroom. So grab a coffee, grab a drink, sit down, enjoy, or clean with me, and let's get right into it. First, we're gonna start off in the kitchen, get all these dishes done. We had a big breakfast this morning, load the dishwasher, and just try to declutter this counter. I love cleaning my sink with Vim. It keeps the stainless steel so shiny, so I try to do this as often as I can, usually at the end of the day or in the evening, but because I'm trying to get everything cleaned up, I wanted to do this right now. And then I also use a Mr. Clean sponge to get all the grime and dirt out. Cleaning the stove and the oven door, I'm going to remove my appliances from the counter and get into the corners and the backsplash because lots and lots and lots of dirt gets built up there.
and we're gonna make my way around the kitchen as well. I'm also using a microfiber cloth that's a little bit thicker than what I used before, and my multi-purpose cleaning spray. Clean the bigger electronic toys, I like to use a Lysol wipe and really get in between all the buttons and the switches just to make sure I'm getting all the bacteria out. Because I obviously can't put this in the sink and soak it, I want to make sure that I get a good clean and give it enough time to dry, because babies put everything in their mouth. But this just gives me a really good feeling of getting everything nice and clean. I was trying to play with the dining table and see if we could actually use it, but because we have that space for Jackson's toys and kind of like where his play area is, I couldn't really figure it out in order for us to fit there but still not overtake his space. And keep in mind, he is crawling and rolling around everywhere, so you can see me kind of play around, but I just ended up putting it back to where it was, and maybe another time I can figure out a good way for us to actually sit at our table for dinner. Like I said, Jackson's room is not too bad. I'm just going to give the windows a good clean, the baseboards, the edge of his crib gets really dusty, so all those little tiny areas you want to just get dust. Because it is kind of that flu season, I'm trying my best to keep everything as clean as possible. So yeah, just giving it a good tidy up, which you should at least on the weekly.
all my used rags and dirty towels and laundry. What else can I put in laundry? That's pretty much it. Do a little thing. Very little, because it's such a small load. Okay, extra small. Let's do hot. I'll gross this out and we'll do
Now time to clean this bathroom. I hate the bathroom, I swear. I feel like I have to clean it all the time. But just going to scrub down the tub with my Method bathroom and tile cleaner. Because all three of us use this washroom, I feel it just gets built up with mildew so much faster. So giving that a good clean, going to clean the sink and where all our products are, and then at the end I'm going to give the floor a quick vacuum and mop, and then you'll see me continue that into the kitchen.
Okay, we are done. That is the dryer, washing machine running. The kitchen is all clean. Just drying out my gloves and my drying rack. I'm using my other camera because my battery died. All super clean. For cleaning with me, watching me just clean my apartment for the 1 millionth time. Now I'm gonna go back to my parents' house and see my little baby and enjoy my clean apartment later on this evening. Thanks so much guys for tuning in. Please subscribe, please give us a like, please give us some love, a comment, something. I love doing these videos and I want to know if you love them too, or if you don't, doesn't matter. Until next time, bye.